Hi everyone, welcome to Fin Advisor. Most investors are not able to track their stock portfolio in a optimum fashion. Today I'll be teaching you how you can track your portfolio in a very efficient manner using Google Sheets. Google Sheets provides multiple advantages. The first one being you can track your portfolio from multiple brokers in a single sheet. It also gives enhanced functionality with multiple customizations built in. You can build a customized portfolio dashboard as well as you can see on the screen. There wouldn't be any painfully logging in requirements to multiple brokers and websites. So without further ado, let's dive in. So this is the portfolio tracking sheet. I've already filled in with few of the stocks so that I can take you through. Google Sheets uses Google Finance, and the first input for Google Finance function is to have the symbol of the stock which is listed in column A. You can get this information by just searching on the stock. Then column B utilizes the symbol you can see equal to Google Finance A2 name. So it will give me the company name of the stock. All the cells which are highlighted in amber are basically manual input cells. So you in column C you can put whether you are buying this stock for medium term, long term or short term. You can use this column to also segregate your portfolio based on the type it is, whether it's a trading portfolio, it's a fundamental portfolio, so on and so forth. Column D is where you need to input your average cost price per stock. And then column E automatically derives the current market price of the stock. So it uses the A2 cell, which is the symbol, and by price it will give me the price of the stock. Then column F, you need to manually input how many shares that you have bought. So in this case, Maruti Suzuki, we have bought around 2000 shares at an average cost price of 8,500. By multiplying 8,500 by 2000, we get the invested value, which is around 1.7 CR. Then we also get the market value by multiplying the number of shares with the current market price. Then column I is very important for your even for fundamental or your trading portfolio. You can put what is your thesis for buying this stock, which you can track going forward as the companies announce their quarterly results, or if it is a stock for trading, you can put your technical indicator rationale and just track them. Column J is your where you put manually your target price, and then column K is where you put number of months to achieve the target price, and column L automatically gives based on these two inputs what would be your expected CAGR. So the expected CAGR is very important, and it will the overall expected CAGR you can calculate using this column, and then utilizing the allocation column in column M. Yeah, one thing I would like to highlight is that column K, number of months for target, is based on your analysis. That based on your fundamental analysis or technical analysis, that this target price will be achieved in 24 months. Allocation percentage will give me the what is my current allocation in each of the stock based on the current market price. Column N gives the market cap of the stock in CR, and based on this information you can derive whether it's a large cap stock, mid cap stock, small cap stock, or a micro cap stock. Now column P onwards is the stock performance for 1 day, 1 month, 1 quarter, 1 year and 2 years. So you can see what is the trend in this particular stock in these time frames. Column U is also something that gives the trend line over a 1 year period, just to see what is the peaks and trough during the last 1 year. Column V is something which will tell me the overall profit or loss for that stock. And then in terms of percentage, what is the percentage return based on the invested value. Column X mentions the industry which the stock belongs to and the expected industry growth for that particular stock. So you can compare the growth of the price of the stock with the industry growth as well. Also, the earning growth of the stock with the industry growth. Column Z gives the price to earning ratio for the stock. Column AA gives the ROC of the stock, which is very critical in if you're investing based on the fundamental parameters, return on capital employed. Then column AB gives the earnings growth in last few years, last 3 years to be specifically. And this is actually deriving from using the import HTML and deriving from the screener. If you see, this is not utilizing the Google Finance function. So in case you want me to make a video on how to import data from a website on Google Sheet, I'll be happy to make that as well. Please put a comment if you want me to. Column AC is very important to put sources of risk, which might result in a lower return. So just to track them as well in your quarterly results. And then AD and AE are some of the technical parameters, whether the current price is over 200 daily moving average DMA or is it below. And similarly for AE, it is 50 DMA and below. And the application here is that if you have invested based on fundamental parameters, if these are below, you would want to put more. But if you've invested in short term and looking more from a momentum perspective, ideally these should be above. Both of them should be above 200 DMA and 50 DMA. So this helps in more from technical analysis. And column AF is where you can put any of your other notes. So this brings to the end of this sheet. Now in next video, what we'll do is we'll analyze how you can utilize this sheet to build this really good portfolio dashboard. So you will be able to see all the parameters of your portfolio right in single sheet. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to FinAdvisor channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.